Hey, it's Jessica with Food Foundation, and in this video, I thought it would be fun to unbox one of my farm CSA boxes where I don't get to choose the ingredients, see if I can put together some type of meal, and then test it on the ultimate critics, my kids. Stay with me, and we'll see if they give it a yay or a nay. This particular CSA is Freshness Farms. While there's a wide range of CSAs, ones that deliver directly to your house, ones that you're allowed to pick your produce, I'm not allowed to pick my produce from Freshness Farms. But I love them because the farms are all local, they're organic, I get fresh produce because as soon as produce is picked, it starts to lose nutrients, so I get the most nutrient-dense food, and it's seasonal, which means it's gonna be a bunch of random ingredients that I might not know how to cook. I'm not an affiliate or I don't get commission from Freshness Farms. It just happens to be one of the many CSA boxes that I get, and if you subscribe, you'll get to see my future videos from some of my other CSA boxes. So let's get right to choosing the produce. Our first ingredient, yay! Everybody knows what to do with carrots. You can just eat them raw, but I promised I would try to come up with a recipe, so not knowing what the rest of the ingredients are, I'm thinking I could very easily chop these up into a soup. I could definitely put them in a sauce, like a spaghetti sauce, just about anything, right? I'm gonna give the greens to my chickens. You can actually eat them, but you can just throw them in your compost if they're not your favorite. All right, let's see what else we have. Ooh, here's another green that you can definitely eat. Beet greens. Beet greens are amazing, and I know they don't tend to be everybody's favorite when they arrive in the box, but they store forever. Just chop off the greens. These could easily go into a smoothie. Actually, you could put beet in a smoothie too if you're not really used to eating it. Just slice all the outside off. Start with half a beet. It'd mix really nice with carrot and maybe orange, pomegranate juice, something sweet. So maybe a smoothie. Let's see what else we have. Oh, awesome. I'm definitely thinking smoothie. Orange and carrots blend beautifully together. This is gorgeous. I've been getting so much citrus because it's in season, and wonderfully so because it's full of vitamin C. So I'm definitely thinking smoothie. I can hide all these veggies in, get them into the kids, get all of my different colors and nutrients, and we'll just add, fennel. Definitely not going into a smoothie. That would be disgusting. I actually love fennel, and you can eat the fronds. The best way to do fennel is to roast it because it caramelizes and becomes so sweet. You've probably had it at a restaurant and just never knew that that's what it was. Carrots will be amazing roasted. Beets will be amazing roasted. I'm thinking of a one-pot recipe because I know you don't have a lot of time. I definitely don't have a lot of time. We're gonna put it on one sheet pan and we're gonna use the orange as juice over the roasted veggies in an amazing sauce with just orange and soy sauce or tamari, and I think my kids are gonna love it. Grab your beets, your carrots, and your fennel. Let's chop them into bite-sized pieces. You think your hands are red, wait till you see your poop. Go ahead and place these on a cookie tray and rub them with olive oil. Make sure they're completely covered in fat so they don't burn. And if you add a protein, you can turn this into a whole meal. So I'm rubbing chicken wings with that olive oil and make sure it's coated in salt or your favorite seasoning. And let's bake this at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Voila, that looks amazing. It could be served as is, but we're gonna add that final touch of an orange, a little bit of tamari, and let's see if the kids like it. Do you like it? Yay! It's a success! Oh, they think I'm such a dork. I hope that was fun and that you're excited about your next CSA, because you know you can take any old recipe and just substitute all the ingredients in and come up with something exciting. If you know someone a little intimidated by getting a CSA, please share this video. If you like the video, show me and hit like. Make sure you subscribe because I have another unboxing coming up, and we'll see if that recipe gets a yay or a nay from my kids. This is Jessica with Food Foundation, where food is the foundation of real health. Thanks for watching.